In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to find underserved niches fast and easy. Whether you're looking to start a new business venture, expand your current offerings, or simply stay ahead of the competition, understanding market trends is crucial. Google Trends is a powerful tool that allows you to explore what people are interested in, and it can help guide your strategic decisions. First, let's start by heading over to Google Trends. You can do this by typing Google Trends into your search engine of choice and clicking on the first link that appears. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, you'll find yourself equipped with a multitude of options to explore global and local trends. Next, look towards the upper section of the page and locate the Explore button. Click on it to dive into the core feature of Google Trends. Here you can search for any topic or industry that you're curious about. A great starting point is to enter a broad category in the search bar. For instance, you might want to explore topics like fitness, home decor, or tech gadgets. Once you've entered your chosen topic, go ahead and hit Enter. This will initiate the analysis of the trend data related to your selected area. To refine your search and get the most relevant results, you can set filters according to your specific needs. Look at the options at the top of the page, where you can adjust parameters like location, time range, category, and search type. For location, select the country or region you're interested in. When it comes to time range, choosing past 12 months or past 90 days can provide a good overview of current trends. You can also specify the category related to your industry and decide whether you're interested in web search, YouTube, or shopping trends, depending on your focus. Now, as you scroll down, you'll encounter the Related Queries section. This is where things get interesting. Check for rising queries. These are indicative of growing interest. Keep an eye out for terms that have moderate volume. These are often underserved areas waiting to be tapped into. For example, if you're in the fitness industry, you might notice growing interest in resistance bands for seniors or home gym ideas for small apartments. Another crucial aspect to examine is the interest over time chart. This graph allows you to see how interest in your topic has changed over a specified period. Look for steady growth or recent spikes, as these indicate a potential emerging niche. Conversely, be cautious of topics with declining interest unless you have a strategy to revitalize them. Additionally, you have the option to compare different niche ideas against each other by clicking the plus compare button. This feature is invaluable for testing multiple ideas and determining which is gaining traction faster. For example, comparing resistance bands for seniors with resistance bands for beginners can provide insights into which niche might be more lucrative. Finally, don't forget to export your findings. Use the download icon to obtain CSV files of trend data and related queries. These files can be organized in a spreadsheet to help plan your content strategy and optimize your search engine rankings. With these insights and tools, you'll be well equipped to identify and capitalize on underserved niches using Google Trends. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you in your next venture.